Good morning, everyone. Let's start the day with the absolute boss of the house, Carrot Jr. Look at him sitting so peacefully by the window, totally pretending he's a majestic tiger. That massive stretch, pure wildcat energy. But of course, before he starts his busy day of doing absolutely nothing, I have to pay the chin scratch tax. This is his absolute favorite part of the morning. Just look at that face. He's completely melting. Once he's fully charged, it's time for some outdoor exploration. He loves sniffing the grass, taking a little nibble, and just investigating the yard like a tiny detective. He's always so curious about everything.
Car? Car? Ay, karuta! Ay, karuta! Car! 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 Carly, car! Carly, car! Car! Carly, car! Carly, car! Car! Carly, car! Carly, car! Carly, car! Carly, car! Carly, car! Uy, car! Hulo, 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 hulo. Hulo, grabe kay nga car, oy. Hala. Hala ka diha. Hala, grabe kay nga car. 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 Ew, dusty. Dusty fur. Car. Just kidding. Car. Carly, car.